Your back to school checklist. It's that time of year and all teachers need to get ready for the school year. Here is a list of bases you need to cover to be ready for the busy start of school. 1. Got all your school supplies ready? Inventory for your classroom done and set? 2. Safety. Are there any issues in your classroom? Do you have a clear emergency exit strategy prepared? 3. Student information sheets, needs survey. It's important to have them ready so you can survey students and find out about their needs, skills, lives in some detail. 4. Class seating plan. How will you seat students? Groups? Rows? Where will students do different activities in class? 5. Decorations for the classroom. The classroom design. A classroom should be a warm, welcoming environment. Consider where you'll post student work. Use a variety of posters and images to stimulate student thinking. 6. Classroom management. How will you manage the class? Prepare your own set of class rules, but also negotiate some with students. Get to know the school's policy in detail if you don't know so already. 7. Substitute teacher binder, student extra work. Often students finish classwork early. What's your plan for that? Also prepare a binder of easy-to-do activities for a substitute teacher, including all the necessary information about the class they should know. 8. First week team building activities. The first week is a deal breaker. Keep it light and full of getting to know each other activities. How will you build a classroom community the first week? 9. Tech inventory and readiness. Technology is a big part of school these days. What technology will you use? How will you use it? Do an inventory of what's available in the school for tech-based lessons and learning. 10. Your own goals and PD plans for the year. What will you do this year to improve as a teacher? Most schools require teachers to have a professional development plan in place. What else do you need to prepare? Consider. Get to know the school librarian, the school janitor if you haven't already. They can be so helpful. Anything else we missed? What do you do to get ready for the school year?